My child, do not allow yourself to remain unaware of the strategies the enemy uses against you. Do not give the accuser more room in your mind than your defender, Jesus. The enemy thrives on deception. Falsehood is the language he speaks most easily, and his purpose has always been the same: to steal, to wound, and to destroy. So do not allow fear to slowly weaken your faith. Do not let uncertainty about tomorrow overshadow the truth you already know about me. And when a temporary setback appears, do not allow it to shake your determination to keep moving forward. Also, do not permit the intentions of others to interrupt the divine purpose I have prepared for your life. Instead, place your trust in me. Do not be afraid, because I am your strength and the melody that lifts your spirit. Do not waste your energy feeding fear. Use that same energy to trust me more deeply and to sing the song of faith in your heart. The battle for your thoughts is often intense. Years of worry and anxiety have sometimes made you vulnerable to the whispers of the enemy. That is why you must remain watchful over the thoughts you allow to stay in your mind. But do not hate this weakness within you. I am using it to draw you closer to me. Your constant need for my presence creates a deep closeness between us that is worth every struggle you face. And remember this: you are not fighting alone in this battle for your mind. My spirit living inside you is always ready to help you. Seek his guidance, and he will lead your thoughts into life and peace. Many people believe that victory means constant success, never failing, never making mistakes. But those who depend only on their own strength often drift away from me, forgetting that I am near. It is through trials, through weaknesses, through challenges and unmet needs that you learn to truly trust in me. Real dependence is not simply asking me to bless your plans. True dependence means coming to me with an open heart, allowing me to place my desires within you. Sometimes I will place a dream in your heart that seems impossible. You will quickly realize that on your own you cannot reach it, and that is where the journey of true faith begins. It is a path walked step by step, leaning on me as often as you need. This road will not always be smooth. There may be moments of failure, but every failure will be followed by growth, because each moment of weakness will increase your dependence on me. Many people believe that victory means constant success, never failing, never making mistakes. But those who depend only on their own strength often drift away from me, forgetting that I am near. It is through trials, through weaknesses, through challenges and unmet needs that you learn to truly trust in me. Real dependence is not simply asking me to bless your plans. True dependence means coming to me with an open heart, allowing me to place my desires within you. Sometimes I will place a dream in your heart that seems impossible. You will quickly realize that on your own you cannot reach it. And that is where the journey of true faith begins. It is a path walked step by step, leaning on me as often as you need. This road will not always be smooth. There may be moments of failure, but every failure will be followed by growth, because each moment of weakness will increase your dependence on me. Rejoice in the beauty of a victorious life, by learning to depend on me more deeply every day. I am able to do far more than anything you could ask or even imagine. Come to me with hopeful expectations. There is no limit to what I am capable of doing. Ask my Spirit to guide your thoughts, so your mind will be filled with noble and faithful thoughts about me. And do not lose heart when many of your prayers seem unanswered. Time itself is one of the teachers I use to train you to wait and to trust me, even when you do not yet understand. Sometimes the more intense your situation becomes, the closer you are to witnessing my power and my glory at work. So instead of allowing difficulties to push you into worry, see them as the beginning of my powerful intervention. Therefore, my beloved child, put your faith into action. Trust me with every part of your life. Allow me to become the center of your heart, the source of your strength, and the reason for your hope. When you step into the unknown, remember that I am your God. My plans for you are good. The future may seem uncertain to you, but I remain your faithful guide. Live each day in dependence on me, knowing that I care for you and that your life has a purpose. Do not focus on the problems around you. Look instead at the opportunities I am placing before you. Let my peace fill your heart, because I am in control of all things. When you feel weak, remember that my strength is made perfect in your weakness. You are precious to me. Your purpose is unique, and your life carries great value. So do not compare yourself to others or worry about the expectations of the world. I created you in my image, with gifts and abilities that belong only to you. Open your eyes to the wonders around you. See the beauty of life that I have placed before you. My child, I am here for you. In every moment of life, in every challenge you face, I stand beside you, ready to guide you and strengthen you. Never forget that faith in me is the key that overcomes every obstacle. Open your heart to receive my love, my wisdom, and my grace. Remember, you are never alone. My Spirit lives within you and walks with you every day. So move forward with courage, embracing both the victories and the challenges of your journey, because I am with you every step of the way. Do not lose hope, for I am your eternal hope. Trust in me, follow me, and you will discover the peace and joy that only I can give. May my grace and my peace remain with you now and forever. Amen. If you believe, write Amen in the comments.